On problem 11, we have Peyton's problem here. And she cuts the length of a 9-foot board into 2 sections. Notice you're going to write 2 equations here. The first one is the total. So x plus y, we know, equals 9. Our second equation comes from a second sentence. It says 3 times the length of the longer section. I'm going to call my longer section y. So I'll take 3 times y is 3 feet more than 3 times the length of the shorter section. So that'll be 3x plus 3. Now you had to write those 2 equations. I didn't tell you how to solve it. You could solve it by graphing, by substitution, by elimination. I'm going to do elimination because I notice I can get y by itself pretty quickly. So if I divide everything by 3, we get y equals x plus 1. So instead of writing y, we're going to write x plus 1. So I'm going to say x plus 1 equals 9. Notice I don't really need the parentheses, do I? So x plus x is 2x plus 1 equals 9. Subtract 1 from both sides, 2x equals 8, divide by 2, x equals 4. And then to find y, go 4 plus 1, and you get 5. So the length of the first section is 4 feet. Yes, you must include the units. Don't include the units, you're not going to get credit. And 5 feet. And that'll give you your answer. Now in question number 12, we want to look at all the different ways we could solve this system by elimination. So if I multiply the first equation by 4, well, 7 times 4 is 28. I'd get the same x coefficient, so I would subtract them. So yes, that's a valid way to start solving that by elimination. How about if I multiply the second equation by 3? Well, notice I'm going to get a big number for x, but 3 times negative 10 is negative 30, which is the same, so I want to subtract them again. So that's a different way to solve it, a correct way. But if I multiply the first equation by 4, but if I add them, they won't cancel then, will they? I want to eliminate my x's. The same thing, if I multiply the second equation by 3, I'm not going to add them. How about if I multiply the second equation by 1/4, which is really dividing by 4? So 28 divided by 4 will give me 7x, won't it? And then I would subtract them. So you should do it 3 answers, 3 correct solutions for that one. And you need to have them all to get that credit.